In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove your iCloud account from untrusted devices. Removing your iCloud account from untrusted devices is essential to prevent unauthorized access, protect against security breaches, and safeguard personal data. It reduces the risk of identity theft, unauthorized purchases, and data loss, ensuring control over account access and maintaining digital identity integrity. Simply head into your Safari. On appleid.apple.com, go ahead and sign into your Apple ID. On this page, you will have to tap on this arrow right here. Then select the second last option of devices. On this page, you will see all devices that have access to your iCloud account. Just tap on any device that you don't trust. Scroll down to the very end and tap on this option of Remove from Account. Your iCloud will get logged out from the selected untrusted device. That's how easy it is to remove devices from your iCloud account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.